Hello viewers, welcome back to your home for motivation, mental wellness, and personal growth. If this is your first time here, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of people committed to healing, resilience, and purposeful living. Today's topic speaks to something we have all experienced at some point in our lives: rejection and failure. And more importantly, how to rebuild confidence after experiencing them. Introduction. Rejection and failure can feel deeply personal. A job application that didn't go through. A relationship that ended. A goal that didn't work out the way you hoped. In those moments, confidence often takes a hit. You start questioning your abilities, your worth, and sometimes even your future. But here's the truth. Rejection and failure do not define you. How you respond to them does. Today, we're going to talk about how to rebuild confidence in a healthy, realistic, and lasting way. Normalizing rejection and failure. The first step in rebuilding confidence is normalizing rejection and failure. Every successful person you admire has been rejected. Every meaningful achievement has a story of setbacks behind it. Failure is not proof that you are incapable. Often, it is simply feedback, that is, information about what didn't work this time. When you stop seeing failure as a personal flaw and start seeing it as part of growth, its power over you begins to fade. You are not alone in this experience, and you are not broken because of it. Separating your worth from the outcome. One of the most damaging habits we develop is tying our self-worth to outcomes. When things go well, we feel confident. When they don't, we feel unworthy. But your worth is not determined by 1 rejection, 2 1 mistake, 3 1 unsuccessful attempt. You are valuable before the failure, and you are still valuable after it. Confidence grows when you learn to say, "This didn't work out, but it does not take away who I am." Processing emotions without judgment. Rebuilding confidence does not mean ignoring pain. It's okay to feel disappointed. It's okay to feel discouraged. What matters is allowing those emotions without turning them into self-criticism. Instead of saying, "I'm not good enough," try saying, "These hurts, and I'm allowed to feel this way." Emotional honesty is not weakness, it is strength. Learning from the experience. Once emotions settle, reflection becomes powerful. Ask yourself, 1. What did this experience teach me? 2. What can I do differently next time? 3. What did I handle well, even in difficulty? Confidence is rebuilt not by perfection, but by learning. Every lesson you take forward becomes evidence that you are growing. Rebuilding confidence through small actions. Confidence returns through action, not overthinking. Start small. 1. Set achievable goals. 2. Take steps you can complete. 3. Celebrate effort, not just results. Each small win reminds you that you are capable. Progress, not perfection, is what restores belief in yourself. Call to action. Rejection and failure may shake your confidence, but they do not have to destroy it. You are more than your setbacks. You are learning, evolving, and becoming stronger. So today, be gentle with yourself. Take the lesson. Take the next step. Because confidence isn't about never failing. It's about rising again with wisdom and courage. If this video resonated with you, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on mental wellness, resilience, and personal growth. Until next time, stay hopeful, stay resilient, and keep growing.